from within the Pakistan community in Australia, and of course for the many people fighting for a peaceful, democratic solution in Pakistan. And there's been too much killing and violence in Pakistan's history. And I saw just there as well the image of the journalist Ashad Sharif, who was murdered in Kenya. And it's only just a matter of less than a week where the mourning and the ceremony acknowledging that death and asking for answers happened in Pakistan, and then it's followed on in a matter of hours, just 3 days ago, by the 3 shots trying to assassinate former Prime Minister Imran Khan. I would be calling upon our government to demand a full and proper investigation with international observers into the crime and the attempted assassination of Imran Khan, but also call on our government to demand an urgent, peaceful election in Pakistan.
Absolutely.
Because the people of Pakistan have the right to a free and full election without fear of violence, without fear of yet more violence against Imran Khan or other members of his political party or any political party. Because I also want to acknowledge the violence against other members of the political party in that assassination attempt. And surely we as friends of Pakistan have an obligation to call out the violence and to demand that it's not just a closed shop investigation by Pakistan and Pakistani authorities, but the investigation is done with full international oversight so we find out who the real criminals were in this assassination attempt.
Yay!
So today it's with a sense of solidarity with all of you, a commitment to stand with you in the demand for a full, free and fair election, and to look forward with a sense of hope for a Pakistan that ends this kind of political violence and lets the people of Pakistan, not some secret clique, but